how to combine multiple worksheet with the same format. So, meron ako ditong pare-pareho ang format ng heading. Marami po yan. No? So, ang gusto kong gawin is i-combine sila into one worksheet. No? So, you can copy paste is stack up mo siya para mabuo siya. But this time, I'm going to show you how to use the Power Query. Okay? So, ang file name nito is Beast November Sale with Matching. Iko-close ko yan. Open ako ng isang file. And then click Data, Get from File, Excel. Hanapin ko ngayon yung file na gusto kong i-combine. Bisaya November Sale with Matching, Import. And then piliin ko yung unang-una. Okay, and then transform format. Di andyan na, no? So, I'm going to select the second command, right-click, and delete until end. So, are you sure? Yes. So, ang matitira na lang is the first command, which is the source. So, ito yung lahat ng sheet. Ito yung table. Ang kailangan ko is the table. So, remove other column. Table lang ang kailangan ko. And then, extract natin yung data ng table. Okay? Uncheck natin to use original column as prefix. Then, select OK. So, ngayon, ang table ay naging yung laman na, no? So, unang gagawin ko is use the first column to be its field. So, punta tayo dito sa transform. Meron ditong command na use first column as header. Use first column as header. Okay, so tama. Then the rest of the same field, no? Hindi mo kailangan. So, ang gawin natin is select natin ito. Lahat na may cut, huwag nang isali. Out na. Hindi na isasali. Then click OK. So, ang matitira na lang is all the data stuck together. Tapos na po. And then we go back, export it, load, close and load. So, ayan na po. Kasama na siya. Hindi na natin to kailangan. And then, convert natin ito into, instead na table, convert it natin into range. Yes. Tapos, tanggalin natin yung color. Select natin all. Balik natin siya sa no field color. Tapos, ang text is automatic, which is black. And then, pwede na natin siyang i-freeze paint. So, yun na po yun. So, pangalanan natin itong uh, Bisaya November sales. Galing po kasi yung data sa POS eh. Ganun po ang format. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.